Hey everyone, I'm Matthew with Cerakote. Today we are going to show you how to dial down your spray gun for stencil filling when you are creating custom designs. The main benefit of using this method is to reduce ridges while still being able to achieve opacity when filling in voided areas. This method concentrates the coating into a very small area, reducing overspray on unwanted surfaces and allowing for a seamless finish. Before you begin, set your air pressure for the coating series you are using. You will be starting by setting all knobs on your gun in the fully closed position by turning your pattern adjustment knob, fluid adjustment knob, and air adjustment knob clockwise until closed. Next, turn your fluid adjustment knob half of a turn counterclockwise. Then, working from a distance of 2 to 3 inches, gradually turn the air adjustment knob counterclockwise to achieve a dime-sized pattern with minimal splatter, making sure to wet out the coating. Now you've dialed down appropriately, you are now ready to spray. We hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.